spider paper plate craft. Here are the materials you're going to need for today. Construction paper, paper plate, glue, watercolor paint, and scissors. First, we're going to use the scissors and construction paper to cut strips. You can cut them any way you like, but this is how I did it. Cut the first half, then the halves of those halves, and the halves of the following halves. You should have 8 strips by now, and now we're going to fold them into small accordions. These will be your spider's legs. After that, we're going to glue the legs to the paper plate. Next, we use the watercolor brush and water to color our spider. Feel free to put a towel underneath to make sure things stay dry. And then you're done.